Hey guys, welcome to our channel. C2C. C2C stands for consumer to consumer and refers to a type of e-commerce where individuals sell products or services directly to other individuals through online platforms. In this model, the platform typically facilitates the transaction and takes a commission or fee for their services, but does not own the goods being sold. C2C e-commerce has become increasingly popular in recent years, with platforms such as eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist serving as examples. These platforms allow individuals to list products or services for sale, and then connect with potential buyers through the platform's messaging and payment systems. One of the advantages of C2C e-commerce is that it allows individuals to sell items they no longer need or want, while also providing buyers with access to a wider range of products than they might find in traditional brick-and-mortar stores. However, there are also risks associated with C2C e-commerce, such as fraud and disputes over product quality or delivery. As such, it's important for both buyers and sellers to exercise caution and use reputable platforms with strong safeguards in place to protect both parties.